Action cam market leader GoPro got a new real contender in the DJI Osmo Action. They're similar spec, they have the same mounts, and they offer pretty much the same shooting modes. Therefore, we're going to try to separate the GoPro HERO8 from the DJI Osmo Action on video quality and stabilization. Using this fixed setup, we'll be able to compare the results in split screen. Let's go! Probably the most important feature with choosing an action cam is stabilization. We set both cameras to shoot in 4K 60. Now let's see how DJI's Rocksteady performs against GoPro's Hyper Smooth. Slow motion, another cool thing you can spice up your videos with. We set both cameras to shoot in 240 frames per second, and this is how it turned out. Time-lapse is another cool effect you can add to your videos, and it does require some internal processing power from the cameras. In this test, we set both cameras to shoot video time-lapse, where 5 minutes of filming turns into 10 seconds of video. Overall, it's really hard to separate them. They're both good options if you want the latest and greatest action camera. I would give the HERO8 a slight edge when it comes to stabilization, but the front-facing screen on the Osmo Action is just golden, especially if you're into vlogging. Last thing worth noting, after a day of skiing, battery level on the HERO8 down to 25%. On the Osmo Action, 60. Which one would you go for? Let us know in the comments below.